Every great neighborhood has those few complexes that are true hidden gems, and on today's video I'll be letting the secret out and taking you on a tour of Somerville Corner in Kelowna's highly sought after Lower Mission neighborhood. Hi, I'm Brandon Grass, a real estate agent here in Kelowna, and want to warmly welcome you to Somerville Corner. This adorable bareland strata complex consists of 130 single-family homes that were built in 2000, and available floor plans here include one-level ranchers and two-story walk-ups. All of the floor plans offer a 4-foot crawl space perfect for extra storage. Sizes vary from the smaller 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom homes with about 1,166 square feet of living space to the larger 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom homes with almost 2,000 square feet of living space. Each home has a double-car garage, either an attached or semi-detached option. This community is less than a block away from Okanagan Lake and is located within walking distance to great boutique shopping along Pandosy, H20 Aquatic and Fitness Center, where you're sure to have fun with the whole family. Enjoy nearby access to Mission Park Greenway, where you'll have a 26-kilometer nature belt that extends beyond Mission Creek Park and is perfect for walking, jogging, and cycling. Nearby restaurants include Denenzi's Pizza, Mission Tap House, Creekside Pub, Original Joe's, Basil and Mint, and many more. The pricing for homes in Somerville Corner right now range from the low 600s to the high 800s, but average sale prices over the last few years hover around the mid 700,000s. The Bareland Strata fee here is currently at $166 a month. What does that fee actually include? Well, you get to enjoy low maintenance living because all your landscaping is professionally maintained and the roads are cleared of snow. Irrigation will be blown out in the winter time and set up in the spring. So a little bit of, a few things off of your plate, which is always nice. There is no age restriction here, and so any age is welcome. I hope you have enjoyed this tour of Somerville Corner, and if you have any questions about the area, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. Whether you're a buyer looking to buy, a seller wanting to sell, you can contact me anytime at 250-212-5672 or send me an email at brandon@thegrassgroup.ca, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.